Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and share this video out, and leave your comments. I'd love to read them. Y'all, we now have a deal. But first, I want y'all to check out my book in the link below. Also, check out the new channel in the link below. The name of that channel is Wally's World Vlogs. Every day I'm going to post a video there about starting your own business. Y'all be sure and check that out, and please subscribe. Nancy Pelosi and Steve Mnuchin had a behind-the-door meeting, and they have agreed to a deal to avoid a government shutdown. This will keep the government running starting October the 1st. The government shutdown would be just a few days from election. This would be a mess for everyone, and nothing would get done. So this is good news. Now they will have more time to work on what matters most to us, a stimulus package with a stimulus check. Sure, they still have to work on the budget, but it's not the most pressing thing right now. They don't have to put all of their time into that. It will free up time to work on the stimulus. Y'all, children 18 years of age and younger now have access to free food until the end of the year, thanks to the USDA. You have to call the number and sign up for it. The numbers will be in the description below, but I will also tell you what they are here. You text summer meals to 97779 and call the number. It is 1-866-348-6479. Y'all check that out. It's free food for your kids, and y'all please don't be ashamed to ask for this. None of this stuff is your fault. We all need help. So be sure and get it. Y'all please check out my book and my other website. It's in the description. Please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to my other channel. Leave your thumbs up, and just know I love you all. We will get out of this with our heads held high. You just have to have faith in God that He will see us through this. I know He will. I love you all. Until tomorrow. Ciao.